All right, so let's go over the button making process. We got one of these bars, 36 inch, and that'll turn into a bucket of parts. So then we have our button. Now the next step is to stamp it. We're gonna take that little tit off, and it'll go in the stamper and get stamped. And I have to leave this solid, and there's a backer that backs this up. It goes in the anvil and it's fully encased, and the only thing that stamps on is the pattern, because the pattern is quite involved and it requires a lot of force to stamp that pattern in there fully. So if I had a simpler pattern, it'd be a little easier to do. But then the next step is to drill the hole. If you drill the hole, it loses support and it just completely mushrooms in the stamping process. And ask me how I know. So then we take each one and we set them in this board, and they're black in there because they're acid etched. So we'll acid etch, hundreds at a time. We'll set up the boards and acid etch them. And then they get flipped over, put in the Bridgeport real quick, and they get drilled and the thread stud put in. So that is your knob. It's very basic, but it is involved, but it is worth it. It sets my product apart from anything out there.